How to show you're playing Roblox on Discord. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how you can show that you're playing Roblox on Discord, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now this process is much more if you're using PC. So if you're playing a Roblox PC version of the game, you want to show in the Discord PC app. In that case that's also possible, but doesn't mean it's not possible on mobile as well. On mobile also the things are pretty much the same. So let's say you're playing Roblox, and while you're playing Roblox you want the Discord app to show itself that you're playing Roblox. In order to do this, we have to customize an activity status. So after you open Discord, tap the profile icon from bottom right, and from here on just go to the option called privacy and safety and tap on it. Once you tap on privacy and safety, if you scroll down a bit further below under activity status, you'll find display current activity as a status message. So all you have to do is just turn on this toggle. When you turn this toggle on, Discord will automatically update your status if you're attending a public stage. And once you turn this thing on, you'll be able to go ahead and then actually find out if Roblox is actually showing here or not. Now if this is not working, in that case the only option you have is to set a custom status. So you can tap on set status, tap on set a custom status, and here you can just type in now playing Roblox, and that's just one of the things that we can do in case if it isn't working. But most of the time that method is of course going to work. So hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.